Okay, so to get started, you want to go to scratch.mit.edu and you want to make sure that you're logged in. You'll know if you're logged in because you'll see your profile name up here. Once you're logged in, you can go ahead and click Create to start a new project. The very first thing you want to do when you start a new project is you want to give it a name and then make sure that that project gets saved. So I'm going to go ahead and say all about me, Miss Blizzard test, because I already have a project named all about Miss Blizzard. So once you've named your project, you can go ahead and click File, Save Now, and that will make sure that it's saved. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you like the sprite, or that you've picked a new sprite if you're using a different sprite other than the cat. So to pick a new sprite for this project, I only want you to use sprites from the gallery at first. So come down here where it says New Sprite and select the first icon where it says Choose Sprite from Library. You're going to have a lot of different options come up. You should have picked which sprite you wanted during your planning part, so go ahead and find that pretty quickly. I'm going to use the dinosaur for right now. And you can see the cat's still on there. So to actually get rid of the cat, you can click on the cat. He'll be highlighted blue, right click, and then click delete, and now the cat's gone and you have your first sprite and you're ready to move on to part 2. Okay, so now we need to add our backdrops, and you need to have at least 3 scenes, so you need to add at least 3 backdrops. To do that, you're going to go over here and click on Stage or Backdrop, and then you'll notice below it says New Backdrop, and you have a bunch of different options. Again, I just want you to use backdrops from the library for this project, or at least until you complete the core code. So choose Backdrop from Library, and you already picked these during your planning period, so you should pick them pretty quickly. I'm going to use Blue Sky. Okay, so you might notice that it still has this white backdrop up here. To delete a backdrop, you select it. You'll notice that this little X shows up here. Click on that and it deletes. And now you're ready to move on to part 3, where you can actually start coding your first scene.